Hello students, welcome, and in this lecture we are going to study about general solution. So basically, if we have been given a general solution of a differential equation, what it means, why does it call a general solution? Because as there is the order of the differential equation, same is the number of arbitrary constants in the general solution. So if we consider that we have a equation x square, let us take a differential equation dy by dx is equal to minus x upon y. So what is the order of this differential equation? Order is 1 because the highest degree derivative is actually 1. So dy by dx is 1 order derivative. So this is order is 1. Now if you want to see a equation, this one x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is actually equation of a circle. So is this equation a solution of this differential equation? Let us check. If we want to differentiate it, we will get 2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to 0, which means dy by dx is equal to minus x upon y. Yes, this is a solution of this differential equation. So what do we observe? That the order of this differential equation is 1 and the arbitrary constant present in this equation, the solution is also 1, that is a. Similarly, if we take some other example, let us take this example that if we have a differential equation d2y by dx square plus y equal to 0 and its solution is y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x. If you want to confirm that whether this is a solution of this, you can confirm by differentiating it once. You will get a cos x minus b sin x, and then again differentiating it, so minus a sin x minus b cos x. Clearly this when substituted here and this when substituted here will add up to give you 0. So this is a solution. What is the order of this differential equation? 2. And how many arbitrary constants do you see here? That is also a and b, that is 2. So the number of arbitrary constants and what is the order of the differential equation will be same if the solution is a general solution. Thank you students.